Okay, let's do it. Um, so find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex 50-gon. So you're going to do n minus 2 times 1/8. By the way, are you getting a formula sheet? Do you know?
Oh yeah, we are getting a formula sheet.
You are not.
We are. We
You are.
are.
Okay, good. Okay. Do you know what the formula sheet looks like?
Formula. It just has all the formulas on it
Okay.
that are like apparently needed.
All right. So you just do that. Oh, geez. It's not let me write off the screen here. So yeah, that's all you do, whatever that is.
Mhm. Yeah. All right. Yeah. It's good.
Okay, so for number 2, you solve for x. So if you think about it, how many sides, how many angles do I have here?
Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Right. So you got to do 6 minus 2 times 180, which I think is going to be 720.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And you have to add up all these and set equal to 720 solve for x. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to get a piece of paper. I want you to add up each of these expressions, set equal to 720, and solve for x.
Paper. Hold on, just everything. All right. So you need me to add up all the expressions.
Yes, and combine like terms.
No, it's not gonna be 56. Oh, for all the tweaking.
Yeah,
About
so
those.
we add all the x's. What do you get?
So there's 4, 5, 6, 6, 7 x's or 8 x's.
8x, good. 8x, and then how about the numbers?
8x,
I'll
100,
be your scribe. So you just do,
100,
do
100, 110.
careful.
Wait, wait, whoa,
Negative 10, 70, and 30.
90.
Okay, good. Equals 720.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can, if you have a calculator or you can use your cell phone, whatever. 8x plus 9 equals 720. What's x gonna equal?
Get my calculator. Ah, ah. All right. So 8x plus. Right. All right. Calculator. This will be the final answer, though, right?
Yes, correct.
Well, 70. I think. No, would it be 7? I think I miscalculated something.
Yeah, six. So
70.
720 minus 90.
720. Well,
What's 720 minus 90?
720 minus 90. 630.
And then divide that by 8.
78.75.
Good. Okay, that's what x equals. Okay, good. So let's keep moving. Um, oh, you need to scroll down. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, stop there. Okay. Okay. So what do you think about 3?
Uh, AF.
Good. I agree. Yeah. J will only be true for a rectangle or
Yeah.
square. Each pair of opposite angles Um, oh, wait. No, 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 no. Each for opposite angles is congruent. No, no, that's true for a rhombus or a rectangle. No, it's gonna be H
What's it to be H?
because parallelogram, you don't know if all the angles are opposite angles. Oh, wait, never mind. No, no, it is correct. Oh,
It
wait,
was like,
sorry, I'm tripping. No, you're right. It is F. Sorry.
no,
Um,
you're good.
I don't know what I'm thinking. No, you're right. You're right. It's F. Okay, let's look at four.
All right, four. All right. So 38. So one will be 38.
Good. Um, yeah, that's it. Yeah, actually, that's it. We're done. Yeah, the 124 is useless.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
All right, let's see five. So you may want to draw.
All right.
So how do you think AE and EC are related?
Uh, well, they're all like, uh,
Take a second. Take a step back.
well, they're
So
all kind of
A,
like the same angle
well,
almost.
no. AE is a side. Sorry,
Yeah.
AE is a segment,
Mm-hmm.
and EC is a segment.
Yeah.
And if you look at the diagram, we see where AE is. We see where EC is. How are
Okay.
they related?
Uh, they're opposite of A and C are the same. D and E.
No. AE.
Oh, AE. They're
AE
the
is a
same
side.
angle.
So it's not a side. Sorry, A is a segment.
They're the same angle.
Okay, so draw for me where go in circle for me where AE is.
We get
AE, the segment.
uh, that's an ear. Oh,
Yeah, E's in the middle. Great. Now, right,
okay.
good.
Yeah.
Now circle for me where EC is.
Oh, hold on. I didn't realize I was doing this. Hold on.
It's okay. You could freehand it.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, you could freehand it. That's fine. So okay, good. Now just stop there. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Yeah, just now tell me where EC is.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to get uh, uh, easy. Oh, easy. Okay, so I'm kind of struggling real quick, unfortunately.
Okay, took your time. Sorry, it's all good.
Okay, that should be it. AC.
No, EC.
Okay, right there.
Great. How are they related?
Well, they're on the same line.
Okay, but AE and EC, what's the relationship between AE and EC?
They're the same thing.
Correct, because he's in the middle. Perfect.
Yeah,
Now what do you do? See, drawing helps, right? Because when you draw it,
yeah,
it becomes more obvious.
yeah.
Now, so now solving. So once you set getting a piece of paper, writing it out, and solving it.
All right, I got you.
Thank you. Okay, so what do you get? Can you solve it?
Or I don't know if 38 is the right answer. That's what I got.
No. So hold on. 4x minus 8 equals 36. So what do you use to solve?
Uh,
You solve for x.
uh,
What's your first step?
well, to start for X, you have to um, well, so you have to get like you have to like
So
get it isolated.
yes, exactly. So tell me, what's the first step?
You plus 8.
Okay, good. 4x equals 44. What's your next step?
Um, well, then you kind of just find out what X is. X is 11.
Right, there we go. Or divide by 4.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's keep moving. All right, so now let's take a look at 6. Tell me the relationship you have for 6. Or what we should do to solve.
Um, should uh, I got this. Uh, for 6 or
Okay, so tell me what we can set equal to each other.
well, you could set equal kind of everything that's on that line. So you would you would like you have the opposite angles like
Right.
you like
Okay.
wait like the expressions for like the opposite angles like involving x.
Okay. And then what else?
Um,
What about the y's?
well then you have to subtract 3x from both sides.
Right. So x will equal
Yeah.
27. Okay. And then so now you're clear. And then how
Yeah.
how is how was the ones with y's
You have to like plus
related?
with add 4.
Yeah, I already took care of that. So now let's look at 1/3 y and y minus 16.
Uh-huh. So we have to find x and y. All right. Yeah. So y it's a plus 60, I think. Or you have to do 1 over 3y equals y minus 60.
Right.
Then, well, then don't you multiply now? So,
You can multiply both sides by 3.
yeah, that's yeah, almost
So
totally.
y equals 3y minus 180.
Yeah. Then
And
you
then 180 equals 2y.
and then you subtract 3y from both sides, I think now.
And then y should be 90 for that one.
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's keep going. Yeah, that's why it's important for you to review this. Okay, let's go down.
Yep. Oh,
Hey, screw that, please.
you know, so let me move up except for the drawing. There.
I'll go up a little more. Okay, stop right there. Okay. So let's do 7. How are those related?
You got this light. They're the same. The both walls are the
Right.
same.
Yeah, I know you can solve that, so we'll move on. That's gonna be 3x equals 36.
Yep.
12. Okay. Um, okay, let's go try 8 next.
8 and x. 8, I got this. Shouldn't be too hard.
So if it's a rhombus,
Yeah.
we should be able to figure out what this is going to be. So what is that angle going to be?
Like, 45.
Angle G is 45? No.
Wait. Hey, oh. 90.
Nope.
What angle is that?
Okay.
Wait.
Angle G.
That.
Okay, let me ask this question. You have a rhombus or parallelogram, same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So we know opposite angles are the same, right?
Uh-huh.
So for example, if that were 120, then
Mhm.
that'd be 120, right?
Yeah.
So now, what's this going to be, and what's that going to be?
So it's adding up to. Wait, what do they add up to? I'm sorry, I'm completely blanking.
For quadrilateral, yeah. What did they add to for quadrilateral? You know this.
Not 360.
Yeah, exactly. Because think about a rectangle, right? Yep,
Yeah,
360.
so it's pretty easy.
Okay, so everything has
It'd
like
be 240.
360.
It's
Okay,
60 each. 60.
good. Now look at 120 and 60. These are consecutive angles. What did they add up to?
Um, uh, 180.
Exactly, right. So that means that G has got to be 52
Yeah.
because you have 128. 128 plus G has to have the 180. Now, what do you think angle one is going to be?
Uh, well, um,
So you have 90
yeah.
and you have 52.
So 90. So hold on, 9 plus 50, 142. So it'll be 38.
Correct. Good. Okay, good. Now, let's scroll down. Actually, do you mind? Might be easier. Do you mind downloading this and emailing it to me?
Yeah.
That might be a little easier. Plus I can probably use it for my students too. But let me just pause recording really. Okay, perfect. Okay. So for number 9, I'm just going to kind of go through some of these kind of quickly. So you have a square, right?
Yeah.
And we'll label it A, B, C, D.
Uh-huh.
Got a diagonal. Okay. So remember, AE is a segment, right? It's
Yeah.
this segment right here.
Yeah.
BD is another segment.
Uh-huh.
How do you think they're related to each other?
Uh,
Remember, BD is a whole diagonal. AE is half the diagonal.
yeah. Uh,
So, so how are they related? Are they the same? Are they not the same? Are they
they
shorter
are,
by how much?
they are not the
They're
same.
not the same. Good. And what do you have to do to AE to make it equal to BD?
Well, you have to, um, um, oh, you have to,
Keep going.
well, you have to set them equal. So you would
Well, they
have,
don't equal each other, right? AE does not equal BD.
yeah.
So what do you do to AE to make it equal to BD?
Well, you have to like double it practically.
Yes, perfect. That's what I want you to say. Perfect. So you do 2 times 3x minus 4 equals 10x plus 40, 10x minus 48.
Yeah.
And then you solve that algebraically.
Yeah.
Now, let me clear the screen so we need some space here. So 2 parentheses 3x minus 4. Okay, I'm going to have you walk me through it. What do I do?
Alright.
I'll write in the screen. Just tell me what to do.
Alright.
So what's your very first step?
Well, so hold on.
Give me some hints.
So the first step you do 2 times, so it'll be 6x minus
Good.
12.
Awesome. Yeah, keep going.
Um, well, and then
Okay.
you have to combine like terms.
Yes.
So
Yes, you should get 4x on this side.
4x and 40. So that'll be 10.
Good. And then the one AC, remember AC was a diagonal,
Uh-huh.
and BD was a diagonal also. So if I plug in 10 to here,
Yeah.
I should get 52. So if it's not a sausage trapsoid, that adds up to 70, right?
Uh-huh.
So this is also gonna have to 70 right here.
Yeah.
Also, this will have to be 110.
Yeah.
The 70 plus 110 gets you 180. And
Uh-huh.
this right here has to be 28 because you have two parallel lines, NO and MP. So just it's getting a little busy right now. So this is also 28.
Yeah.
That's 28. And
Uh,
again, this is all 70 right here. This is all
mm,
110. 110
Yeah.
minus 28
Huh?
is 82 degrees.
Yeah.
That's to get 82 degrees.
Uh-huh.
So it's just using some just basic knowledge of parallel lines and whatnot.
Yeah.
Okay, now 11. The length of one base of a trapezoid is 19. Length of the median is 23.
Mm-hmm.
The median is always the average of the two bases.
Yeah.
So again, we draw.
Oh. All right. Um,
But that's 23.
yeah.
That calls x.
Mm,
So 19 plus
yeah.
x over 2
Huh?
equals 23. And if you solve it correctly, you should get 27.
Yep.
Okay. Keep moving. Then for 12,
Yeah.
um, the kite, it looks like a kite, but more specifically, these two sides are the same, and these two sides. So consecutive sides are concurrent.
Uh-huh.
Now, if you're trying to find angle W, I believe W and Y will equal each other, and
Mhm.
because you're going to form two congruent rectangles if you split in half like that.
Yeah.
So
Uh-huh.
you can split in half that way, and you get 65 and 9, which is 84. So therefore, that's
Yeah.
96 degrees.
Yep.
Um, okay. Um, or you could also, add those up. It's 140.
Uh-huh.
360 minus 148
Uh-huh.
is going to be 212, and then still split it. Wait, is that right? 360, 65984. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's 74. Yikes. I'm sorry. 659 is 74.
Uh-huh.
So it was 106. And if you split that, you get 106. Yeah, sorry, I made a mistake there. Okay. Now we're looking at similarity. I think I'll go about finding a
Uh-huh.
Remember, similarity means they're proportional. And you notice similar because you have two parallel sides, so these are the same. And they share angle B, and by default, these angles are the same. So we know that. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So anyhow, if we look at the relationship between BE and BC, how do you think I'm going to solve for 80? I'll call this X. How do you think I'm going to solve that?
Uh, um, you just have to find for, well, you kind of just have to like almost make like you find like the formula that they use for the X and 12, and then add the missing, like what's missing.
Oh, can you repeat that? I didn't quite get that.
Like it's like almost as like it's doubled from what D and E is, really, I think. If I eyeball like
Okay, so you're talking about proportional. Okay, so how would I make an equation with 3x, 8, and 12? How would I, do we need an equation, obviously? How would that look?
uh, uh, 3x 8 12. Oh, x. So 3x would equal 8 12 or
Sorry, repeat again.
3x would equal 8 12.
3x equals 8 times 12?
Yeah, wouldn't know.
No. It's got to be proportional.
So what would it so be? Kind of like this
Okay,
was hard.
uh,
I haven't really dealt with these before.
okay. No, you have, but you just forgot. But I'm trying to jog your memory here. So, okay, these are some of triangles. Okay, so if that's
Yeah,
4 and that's 8, if that's
they're double.
10, okay, so
Oh,
it's double. Okay, good. Because 4 over 8
yeah,
equals 10 over x, right? The
yeah,
ratios are the same.
yeah.
So now, if I think about it, this is DVE, right?
Hmm.
And this is the big triangle, ABC. Now, BD is 3.
Uh-huh.
We'll switch colors. Okay.
Yeah,
And B is 8. Now,
yeah.
how long is BC?
BC is that's the 68 18 right there.
18 plus 12, dude.
Oh, I'm tweaking 30.
No.
Yeah, 18 plus 12 is 30.
8 plus 12.
Oh, it's 20.
Okay. And then we don't know this, so this will be 3 plus x.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, how would I set this up? Yeah, BD and BA. So it's going to be a ratio equaling the other ratio.
Mm.
Okay, how do you solve that?
Uh, uh, well, you would cross multiply.
Correct. Good. Very good.
No.
And then solve it, and you'll be okay. You'll get your
Yeah.
answer. Whatever that is, that's 4.5, I think. So,
Uh,
okay. Um, you could also have done this too. Sometimes this does work.
yeah.
And if so, would have gotten the same answer. So, okay, let's keep moving. So the little squiggly symbol there means similar, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So now we have to be careful because they say A, B, C, and D, E, F. So I need to rotate D, E, F. So I'm going to rotate like this.
Yeah.
So that way B and E line up. That's 6, 7, 6, 7. D is 54, so A is also 54.
Yeah.
So you want to add those up. That's 121. Take the difference from 180. That
Uh,
should be 59. So F is 59.
epic. All
Or
right.
angle C is 59, whatever. So now we got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, angle F is 59. So then, right. But anyway, we got the connection there.
Yep.
Let's see if we can get through all the similarity really quickly, and then we could pick this up tomorrow with chapter 8, 9, 10, and then surface area and volume. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for 15, you want to name the theorem here.
Yeah.
So since you have both sides and the angle between them, that's side angle side. So it's G.
Yeah.
That's all.
Huh?
Side, 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 on all sides are proportional. Angle, angle, if you have two pairs of angles are the same.
Uh-huh.
Let's move on to 16.
Yeah, 16.
So
So
6 foot tall fence posts.
yeah.
So if that's 6, that's
Mhm.
2.5. So that's 35. And I'll call this so I'll call this X. And then again, similar triangles, you just do 6 over X
Yeah. Mm.
equals 2.5 over 35.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, I know you can cross multiply.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at 17. You do the same thing like we did last time. That's 28, right?
Mm-hmm.
60, 20 over 28
Mm-hmm.
equals, I'll call this X over 35. You just cross multiply and solve it again. 18,
Oh.
same thing again. That's X.
Mm-hmm.
You can say X over X plus 9
Yeah.
equals 10 over 25.
Mm-hmm.
This over this. You cross multiply, work it out.
So cross multiply would be
Mhm.
easy.
Yeah, that's
So
easy. Oh, sorry, go ahead. Actually,
yeah,
why
I'm
don't you?
saying now cross multiplying like is pretty simple.
Right, exactly. So I trust you do that just fine. 19. Now, sometimes you could just, I mean, since they're similar, you don't have to always do it that long, but you could just say 5 over X plus 3
Yeah.
equals 8 over 2X.
Yeah.
Again, cross multiply, work it out.
Mm-hmm.
2X equals 24, X is 12.
Mm-hmm.
That's 19.
Huh.
20 is where it gets a little funny, and I kind of forget that one. I'll have to come back to it in a moment. But 21, same thing again.
Mm-hmm.
You have similar triangles because you can see these are the same. It's not isosceles, but cut in half. So we're expecting the same shape, just different sizes. So y over 16 equals 2.25 over 6.
Uh-huh.
You cross multiply, work it out. That's going to be 32, 236.
Yeah.
Should be 6, yeah.
Mhm.
And then for 20, um, gosh, I kind of forgot this one again. Here, similar triangles,
Yeah.
bisected. And, uh, here we go. Yeah, here we go. So that's the connection there. So 18 to 12, 24 to X, or 12 to 18 X, 24, same thing. So you want to do something kind of similar here. Um,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So you say 3X over 40.
Uh-huh.
There's a reason why that works, which I'll explain in a moment. But if you cross multiply 48X, 8X equals 80, X equals 10.
Mhm. All right.
So yeah, that's what's happening there.
All right.
And the reason why that works is
Mhm.
because if you extend, um, if you do a line that's parallel to the segment that's bisecting the angle, and then extend BC like this, um, because the parallel lines angle 4 equals angle 1,
Mhm.
this is angle 2 equals angle 1, then angle 2 equals angle 4. Um, so then hold on a sec. Hold on, just trying to understand this. So yeah, because AD is right here, and CD
Uh-huh.
is, and AB is CB. Oh yeah, okay. So this, yeah, angle 2 equals angle 3.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So if angle 2 equals angle 3, so then these are similar triangles. So then if that's AC, that's CD,
Mhm.
then AC or CD, then BC. Go on. AC. Well, we could say, this will be the last one we'll do for today. Just want to understand this. So AE
Uh-huh.
over EC
Yeah.
equals BD
Mhm.
will be C.
Yeah.
And then um, also we say AE
Mhm.
over BD
Yeah.
equals EC.
Uh-huh.
C AD 1 AB
Uh-huh.
CB BD.
Mhm.
Oh, hold on. I think I got this. So CD CB AD. Never extend it the other way.
Mhm.
Okay, I think I see why it works. Okay, whatever. We're good.
Yeah,
Oh,
all right.
we'll stop there for today. Okay, let me stop the
All right,
recording. I'll
sounds
share
good.
this with you. And then tomorrow, hold on.